Hello everyone, so I welcome you all in my new video. So I'll be sharing my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty in this video. So I haven't shared my analysis from last 2 days. I was not trading much, but I traded like yesterday. I booked quite a good profit, and today also I have booked almost around more than 1% of my capital, because I'm not deploying like 100% of my capital nowadays because of this volatility. But today I got a direction like when Bank Nifty started moving up and has already given a breakout above 33 200 300 levels. So I just was bullish and I sold put on those levels. So yeah, let's see what's the my view for tomorrow. So let's start with the analysis. So I will share my analysis for Nifty as well as for Bank Nifty. So first let's start for maybe Bank Nifty. So as you can see here, I have drawn the line. So here the Bank Nifty till this zone was little bit it opened around 33,000 level, but not very much. It opened around only 0.5% from yesterday's closing. So it sustained around this level for some time, you can see here, and then it started going up. So when actually it crossed this levels, 33,200 levels with big volumes, we could see from here the Bank Nifty started moving up. Here it got a little bit of pullback, and again it when it crossed actually 33,600 level, we're quite sure that Bank Nifty can be more of a bullish. So from here actually, if you have gone long in Bank Nifty and maybe if you have call position, it's better to exit from your call position at that time, because the way the Bank Nifty has come down, there are possibilities that Bank Nifty could give a good kind of short covering on any day, and it can go actually anywhere like 3 4 5%. That's expected. So it's better to be on safe position. So now if we talk about tomorrow, so what are the levels that I'm looking for? So we'll be basically discussing everything based on the chart. So we'll not be doing anything like on some perception basis. So the levels what I'm looking for is the first level what maybe we'll discuss on the upside. So the upside, the first level what I'm thinking of. So since Bank Nifty closed at this levels, around this levels, so what I'm expecting, if Bank Nifty like tomorrow opens above this levels, above 33,800, and is able to sustain above this one 34,100. So why I have done 34,100? So this levels I have marked. So my important level will be 34,100, and if Bank Nifty is able to sustain above this level, then we can think of going more long in Bank Nifty, and then we can think of it can touch anywhere between 34,300 and this level. So this is what my view for Bank Nifty is, 34,400 levels. So we can go long in Bank Nifty. This is one condition. The other condition is like if Bank Nifty like goes down or maybe opens below this level. So if one condition is that if Bank Nifty opens below 33,600 levels, one condition is that. So what we can do, we can we can check how long it sustained, and if it still goes beyond this level, the first target is like support is 33,100 level. So once it start falling from 33,600 and it comes around this level where it moved today, so you can start selling on Bank Nifty on this level. This is the condition if Bank Nifty opens at this level. But there are always chances, looking at this current scenario, that there could be a gap up or a gap down opening also, because tomorrow is kind of, we are getting election results as well, so that might also impact. I'm not saying 100% it could impact, it might not impact as well, but it could impact Bank Nifty. So you have to be cautious on that. So as I always mention, keep a check on your position sizing, your risk management and everything, and it's better if you get a early profits, just exit it, and rather than like burning your capital. So this is for the Bank Nifty. Now let's go to Nifty. So here if we talk about Nifty is also quite simple. as we saw today that Nifty was almost kind of uptrend today. So here I have drawn the line. So I'll not discuss much. So maybe this levels, just a second. Yeah, so if we see basically the Nifty, as I mentioned, so Nifty is quite, it almost moved completely in an uptrend today, and we got a clear view on Nifty today. So as you can see, this line I have drawn, so Nifty was quite bullish. I don't think there was any kind of indication Nifty has given where we could change our view to bearish. But for tomorrow, what can happen? So first condition is that if we don't get a gap up or a gap down opening, so in that all conditions you have to check for the intraday levels again and act accordingly. The other thing is that if we work on today's level, so if we work on today's level, on the upside, what I'm looking for, if Nifty is able to sustain above 16,400 levels, we could see a more upside movement in Nifty, and if it's able to sustain that level. So that is the upside, and on the downside I'm looking at this level, that is 16,240 levels. So if Nifty tomorrow like opens at around this levels and comes down to this level and touches this and comes more of a, it doesn't able to sustain that level and comes down, we can think of a sell off in in Nifty. So this is for the Nifty, but again, given the condition, as I have mentioned, there are many geopolitical conditions are there, many tomorrow, like election results are there, so it might impact. But if it doesn't, if Nifty opens at the same levels as of BankNifty, and it, so this levels will work accordingly. So what you can do, if you are an option writer, you can sell put if it able to sustain above this level, and you can start selling calls if it goes beyond this level, and if it like remains in this zone, you can sell strangles accordingly and act on it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can please do share your comments, because I want to know like maybe what part you like in this video, or what new you want to know from me in my coming videos. So maybe I can share my those learnings as well. So if you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.